Joining me right now is South Carolina Congressman Russell Fry, a member of the House Oversight and Judiciary Committees. Congressman, thanks very much for being here. How do you see the proceedings yesterday?
Well, it was interesting. One, the Republicans were united, and I think what really forced that issue, was the defiance of a subpoena by Hunter Biden. Look, we've subpoenaed him. He's known for weeks that he was supposed to be in front of the House committee. And I think, too, quite frankly, is the hesitancy, the reluctance of this administration to comply, to give us documents, to be forthright. The American people have questions, and we expect this administration and the parties involved to answer those questions.
Yeah, I mean, House Oversight Chairman James Comer and Judiciary Chairman Jordan moving to bring the contempt of Congress charges against Hunter Biden after he skipped out on that congressional subpoena yesterday. Here's how the White House responded to that.
Does he believe that congressional subpoenas are something that individual citizens can ignore?
I'm just not going to speak to that. Just not. The president was certainly familiar with what his son was going to say, and I think what you saw was from the heart from his son.
Mr. President, should your son have defied the subpoena?
Did you watch Hunter? Did you watch Hunter this morning?
Meanwhile, here's President Biden just 2 years ago responding to a question about those people who defied congressional subpoenas. Watch this.
Congressional subpoenas on the January 6th committee.
I hope that the committee goes after him and holds him accountable. I do, yes.
Yeah, holding them accountable, Congressman. Obviously, he's not saying anything this time around.
No, I think that's just kind of convenient. Look, the subpoenas mean what subpoenas. I mean, if you do this in a court of law, a judge is going to direct very quickly that the sheriff, deputy, or law enforcement go pick you up for violation of the subpoena for not showing up. President Biden was correct a couple of years ago when he was talking about this. People defy subpoenas; they need to be picked up. But guess what? Now your son's doing the same thing. It's time to hold him in contempt, and we'll see if the Biden Justice Department decides to go pick him up.